back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 best websites to use Nano Banana Pro for free. Right, you can see this on my screen. This is a Nano Banana Pro free product. Right, before I do that, please click on this subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So the first website is the Kin AI, as you can see on my screen right here. It's spelled KIE AI, right? You can use it on your PC or your mobile phone to create a lot of images, right? So all you need to do is open up your browser and input the name and add .ai, and you're going to see this. After that, you need to log in with your Gmail account and start using it, and you're going to have free credits as well. The next on my list is the Lovex AI. So the Lovex AI is also a wonderful app where you can use to edit your photos as well, right? And once you input it, you need to sign in with your Google account and start using up the app. So the third on my list is GenSpark. GenSpark GenSpark is a very lovely and wonderful one. You get to upload your images. Before then, you have to sign in or sign up with your Google account in order to have access to it. So the fourth on my list is the Imagine app. The Imagine Arts is another wonderful website you can actually use for your videos, your photos, and images as well. You can see my screen. So you need to sign in first before you can get access to the app. You can also use it on your PC, on your mobile. And the last but not least on my list is the AIAI.com. I know it really sounds really too awkward because AI, right? But it's all you need to do is open up your browser and search for AIAI.com, and you are going to see it. Right, you can see how the app is looking so good. You need to just input your Gmail and sign in and start using up the app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more positive studies. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my next video. Bye.